because otherwise you're gonna poison yourself. I feel like I'm giving a demonstration, or I have like a handy cinematic or a handy photographer or cameraman. Now take it out and then drink it. I have a few minutes in between my meeting. What I'm going to do is like make this really nice cup of tea. What I tend to do is I add some rose petals, edible rose petals. It's important that they're edible because otherwise you're going to poison yourself. Add edible, what are these? Edible, let me check what they are. But yeah, edible lavender flowers, and I just make a mix and I steep them in hot water and I have them, and I think they're so flavorful. The aroma of the tea is just out of this world, and I think you should try it. I'll show you how I make it. Here's some boiled water. I feel like I'm giving a demonstration, or I'm selling this kettle, which I'm not, definitely, but this is some boiled water, and I'm not a tea connoisseur or whoever, tea chef or whatever. I really do not know much about tea, so I don't know how much or what temperature I should be boiling the tea on, or boiling the water at. But here's some, extremely hot water. Right, so this is this, as you see, is rose petals. This is lavender flowers, and these are edible. Again, please use edible. I am not a tea innovator, tea connoisseur or anything like that, so please, these are just suggestions, something that I really find adds flavor to my day. So here is, I put the rose petals as well as the lavender flowers inside a tea bag, and now I'm going to pour some hot water on it. I wish I could get some like cinematic shots of it. I wish I had like a handy cinematic or a handy photographer or cameraman right here giving you all the beautiful shots, but unfortunately you'll have to make do with me. I let it seep in for good about like a minute. There's no exactness, there's absolutely no science to this, I feel like, but yeah, I let it seep in. I don't want it to become too bitter because lavender can get a little bitter if it's soaked for too long, so I think about a minute is fine, I feel, but longer than that can be a little bit difficult. So it's soaked for about 45-50 seconds. I will now take it out and then drink it.